Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by a 30-minute time frame? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty eventful day, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume on the day. So I want to get some things mapped out here from a support and resistance standpoint as we head into a new week. First point to map out is that just from an overall charting perspective, not the greatest price movement when the price breaks down below the 200 period moving average, which on my chart here is being denoted by that pink line there. So, and you know, like I said, let me take a step back. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, assuming you're long, then yeah, you really do want to see the price stay up above it. So when the price broke down below it right there, like I said, that's a pretty rough sign. Now, on the flip side of things, though, to be fair, the bulls did, make a very nice comeback. To think at one point the price was all the way down there, but they were able to at least recover back up to that area. That was a nice movement on their part. I mean, there's still work to be done, but my point is that, things could have been a lot worse going into the weekend had the price not made the recovery that it did. So the next part of the recovery, I mean, the first part is it's already accomplished. It started to work its way back upwards. But the next part is, circling back here to that pink line there, is breaking back up above that 200 period moving average. Right now, it's valued at 44 cents. So 44 is definitely that near-term level of resistance both Monday and Tuesday. So we'll see if the price can not only break up above it, but then stay up above it. In the event the price can get up through that 200 period, the next key level of resistance after that would be that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average, which if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see now it's already acted as resistance on a couple of different situations. So keep an eye on those two levels right there. So initial hurdle, 200 period, next hurdle after that, that 50 period. As far as support levels are concerned, meaning if the price kind of pulls back a little bit, the one level that you would definitely want to see the price stay up above is the 32-cent mark. If 32 cents cannot hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price go down there and retest right around the 25-cent mark. But as of right now, like I said, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls did make a nice bounce late day, so we'll see if they can build upon that momentum next week by getting up above these areas of resistance. We'll see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.